Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert. I'm going to show you how to delete a named range in Excel. Right now in my Excel sheet that I have open, I have some named ranges in there. The way I would view those and delete them if I wanted to is to go into Insert, Name, and if I click on Define, it'll list the defined groups here. So I can simply select one of those named ranges and click Delete, and it's removed from the workbook. And if I want to delete them all, just select the other one, click Delete, and OK. And now all of the named ranges have been removed from my workbook. And to add a named range, very similar process. You go back to Insert, Name. The first thing you want to do is Create, and then create the way you want your names to be arranged. Top row, bottom row, left column, etc. Follow these options here. Click OK. Oh, yeah, first you want to create a range, so let's do that. Insert, Name, Create, OK. And then you can go back in, Insert, Name, Define, and this is where you can set the name and parameters of your range. All right, that's how to add and delete Excel ranges in Excel. My name is Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed.